How to connect to your FTP account via the FileZilla FTP Client. Open the FileZilla Client application on your Windows system. Enter the host name in the host field. For example, ftp@wpenguage.uk. This is your domain name. Now enter the username into the username field, and password into the password field. Enter the port number where your server listens. The default port number is 21. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Click on the Quick Connect button. The server pane displays files and directories on the connected server. The top area of this pane shows a directory tree, and a detailed listing of the opened contents is displayed below. The local pane displays the local files on your computer. It displays a directory tree at the top, and the contents of the opened directory below. You can upload or download files using these two panes. That's it, you have successfully accessed or connected to your FTP account via the FileZilla FTP. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.